Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles. First, gather your ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Preheat your waffle iron according to its instructions, usually to a medium-high setting. This ensures a perfectly crispy exterior. Next, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk the milk, eggs, and melted butter until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles, so stop as soon as the flour disappears. Now it's time to cook. Lightly grease your preheated waffle iron with cooking spray or a little oil if your iron isn't non-stick. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the center of the iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffle is golden brown and steam no longer escapes. Enjoy the delicious aroma. Finally, serve your delicious waffles immediately with syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. If you're making a big batch, you can keep cooked waffles warm on a wire rack in a 200-degree Fahrenheit oven while you finish the rest. For more great cooking tips and deals, check the description below. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, you'll find a link there for a popular air freshener too. Happy waffle making!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.